हे गाइस, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। मैंने ये वीडियो बनाने का इसीलिए डिसाइड किया बिकॉज आज मैं और मेरा बेटा वी विल बी फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम मुंबई टू शारजाह एंड वी बेसिकली थॉट दैट देर आर वेरी लेस वीडियोस जहाँ पे आप अपने बच्चों के साथ इस कोरोना वाले टाइम पर ट्रैवल करते हो। तो हमने सोचा कि वाई डोंट वी प्लान और शूट आवर जर्नी इन सच अ वे वेयर द पीपल जो अपने बच्चों के साथ ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं उन्हें हेल्प हो कि कौन सी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा जाए और कैसे हम लोग और अच्छे से प्लान करके वी कैन ट्रिप वी कैन टेक अ ट्रिप टू मुंबई टू शारजाह। बेसिकली मेरे हस्बैंड रहते हैं शारजाह में और 5 महीने से हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे कि कब फ्लाइट्स बोर्ड हों एंड देन we got an opportunity to fly it now, and that's why we and my kiddo is at 3 years old, so we both will be flying now. In short while we will be leaving. I just wanted to let you know there are few list of documents जो आपको entrance के वक्त ready रखने हैं so that as you are traveling with a kid you don't have to waste more time there. तो मैं आपको just बता देती हूँ कि क्या list of documents होते हैं। Starting with obviously your identification proof, which is an Aadhaar card, passport of yours and your kid. Second important document, मैं आपको just बता देती हूँ। So basically Aadhaar card is most important. उसके अलावा जो important document होंगे वो है आपका PCR test, and that is only applicable for the person who is about 12 years of age. So जो भी below 12 years हैं they don't have to take it. That's a good thing. So I have the PCR result with me which is at negative. Apart from that as I'm traveling to Sharjah then I have a self-help declaration. Help declaration is very important. ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है and we need to fill this completely. This has an address. You have to mention where you're going to stay in Sharjah, the contact person's name and number. तो मैंने हस्बैंड का डाला है। उसके अलावा there is one thing called undertaking. Undertaking home quarantine is compulsory when you reach Sharjah. So वहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद टेस्ट तो डेफिनेटली हमारा वापस होगा PCR का, मेरा मतलब, बट वहाँ पे 14 डेज का क्वारंटीन इज़ कंपल्सरी, सो कीप दिस इन माइंड. सो इट इज़ अ होम क्वारंटाइन, सो नॉट टू वरी. उसके अलावा आई हैव माई एयर टिकट विथ मी प्रिंटेड एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव द रिटर्न टिकट which is again if you're traveling in visit visa, return ticket is compulsory, so you should have a return ticket, otherwise they will not allow you to fly, they will not allow you to enter. उसके अलावा we have the visa with us, so I have my visa and then I have my son's visa. So ये बात हमारे साथ हुई थी, तो just wanted to mention you that if you're taking a visit visa, so don't take it a family visa. For example, don't take a combined visa of your wife and your kid together because वो reject हो जाएगा. So go for an individual visa, individual both separately. वीज़ा के पीछे ऐसे कुछ तो फॉर्म्स होते हैं जो आपको पर्सनल डिटेल्स अगेन दे विल बी आस्किंग, तो आपको ये सब फिल करना है. कीप इट रेडी विथ यू सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट मोर टाइम व्हेन यू रीच द इमिग्रेशन because definitely they want it filled. It has basic information where you're going to stay and stuff like that. And इसके अलावा health insurance is again compulsory. If you're taking a visit visa, then with your visa you have to definitely take an insurance for your wife and your kid. So basically हम दोनों का भी individual visit insurance visa है. Okay, so I'll just leave in few minutes. My driver is already here. As soon as I reach the airport, I'll just look at the condition because I don't know if video लेना वहाँ पे applicable है या नहीं. But I'll definitely make it a point to give you maximum information, so आपको बिल्कुल problem ना हो जब आप अपने बच्चों के साथ travel करें. Hi guys, I'm reached at the airport at Mumbai, and there's very less volume here, and things have been very smoothly going at this moment. When I entered the airport, the security only asked my flight tickets and only asked my passport. That's the only information they asked. They did not even check the PCR test report, which was shocking. And here I am sitting waiting for my check-in to begin. So basically, it's all very smooth. So I'll just show you around. It's almost nothing. No people are in.
Mama soda please. Mama soda please. Mama soda please. Mama soda.
Here I am with my son, and he's troubling me a lot. But that's how kids are.
Soda please. Coffee? Huh? Please. Soda.
आयंश असं नाही करायचं मास्कला. So we completed with the security check and immigration. Now we're heading towards gate number 46B. So finally reached Sharjah airport, and I should say that it's a very beautiful airport, and comparatively to Dubai. So
Where
see you
is my
soon.
boy?
I hope you like the video, and I will be sending you more details after some time. Hello guys, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, and very good evening. Earlier I had made a video, and this is a video on continuation with that I was traveling from Mumbai to Sharjah with my small kid who was 3 years old, and I had missed few details obviously because of as we travel with a kid, so it's not possible to continuously video it. But I thought of making a separate video today where I will be talking about what are the immigration changes they have made, how was the flight safety. I'll also attach some photos for you, some information, and how is the atmosphere at the Sharjah airport. Are they doing the COVID test there? When are the results going to be? What is the quarantine status, and how fast you can do that? All these things I am going to share today. So please be on this video and watch till end. And if you like my videos altogether, please subscribe and please like my video. So let's start. So basically, the last video which I shooted, in that we had already crossed the security check and everything. Now when I reached to the immigration, luckily at this time I traveled at night time, so there was no much of crowd as such. So and because of a small kid, they definitely take care of you at the airport officials, because handling kid at this situation is very difficult. They also know that, so they give you the first priority. If you have a kid, you can ask for it. If you want to, they will definitely help you out. Staff are very helpful, and all the security measures are being taken, but still you need to wear the mask all the time. That is a mandatory, of course. After security check and immigration was I traveled with visit visa, so there was questions like where are you going to stay, what is your return flight date, and that's it. I mean, nothing like in deep. Okay. Now coming back, when I was waiting for the flight, it was definitely everything was good, and there was no hassle. But at this COVID time, just to warn you that Mumbai airport, only Starbucks was open. So if you are hungry and if you want to eat something, please take a tiffin with you as you are traveling with a kid. By the way, water bottles definitely we can carry. It's not banned now because of the situation, probably that they know that you're traveling with a kid, so there was no problem. So we had only an option to eat in Starbucks. Otherwise, all the Mumbai airport shops have been closed. So keep this in mind to carry a tiffin for your kid and you when you're hungry. Now, waiting period when the boarding starts, they definitely tell all the people who are with children to wait for a little longer because they don't want us to wait with a kid, in a line or waiting line. So they give you good preference, and I definitely like that a lot. So it was very smooth. All the staff are very cooperative, very professionally arranged everything. Luckily there was no one beside me, so there was a very good flight, comfortable. I traveled with Air Arabia. If I have to rate that flight in 1 to 10 with preference of professionalism and eateries and the time, the staff, everything, I would definitely rate them 8.5 because the flight definitely left 5 minutes late, but they made it a point to make us reach 15 minutes before. Okay, so that was a very good thing. So after, when I get down from the flight, I directly there was this from the path we need to go, where generally we reach the immigration, but here they had all the chairs which are laid. On that you need to fill a form of undertaking quarantine, quarantine undertaking in Sharjah. Now, as you're traveling with a kid, again the preference is given to you first, and then the people who are traveling alone. So make sure that you ask the official that you need to go first. They will be, you just have to give the passport, you have to give the quarantine form, and they give you 2 kits. So this is a COVID kit which they provided to you. Then there's beside that there's a section where they will do your testing, COVID testing, and the result come after 24 hours. So as soon as you finish that, you need to just walk through the arrival section, and there you will be again going through the immigration people, where definitely there will be few questions, not so strict. And as soon as that happens, you need to again scan your bags before you enter or exit the final Sharjah airport. After the scanning of the bags, you will find your cargo bags, which are just displayed downstairs. So all the belt and all is not there. You just have to go there and pick up your own luggage, and you have to proceed for the exit. And finally I met my husband on time. Everything was very smooth with me, and I definitely will recommend. There's no harm to travel with a child unless you make sure of few things. Please keep the documents on an upper pouch with you all the time, especially passports, your COVID test report, and probably your boarding pass. Okay. Second thing, don't carry too much in cabin, because it will not help you, to look after the kid and you. So just carry one purse or bag or something, and you can put everything in cargo. That's what I would advise. With regards to COVID thing followed at the aircraft, no, it was not, because people still don't understand that we need to keep the social distancing. I have clicked some photographs which I'll attach with this. So with this I'll end the video. I'm sorry if it was long, but I thought it should have been very detailed for people who should definitely travel with kid. I recommend it to you that all reach to your families and end this COVID thing soon, so that everybody is with their families. The way I'm sitting at my room and sipping a coffee. So we've been very relaxed and happy, and I hope that you too. If further things, I will be definitely making more videos. So please subscribe to my channel. It will be definitely related to taking care of kids when you travel. Bye.